We're going healthy today, boys.
Healthy!
Woo! All right, courgette, linguini. It's where it's at.
It's not actually where it's at, but
Nobody asked for your opinion, actually.
I give the people what they want, Floyd.
So, you're gonna need a peeler, courgette, and you're just gonna go through the edge like this. Once you get to the seed, you stop and you change onto the side.
Seems a very wasteful technique.
Well, no, you use this for like, you know, the next day if you're doing roast vegetables or making a soup, or you can throw it in anything you use. But,
Oh, so you're using the skins?
yeah, so not the skin, but this is the, so in the middle, it's full of like seeds and water. So when you cook it, it just mushes and it doesn't hold itself. These nice bits around the outside, they hold.
My question is,
Oh, what's your fucking question?
do they hold the door?
Hold the door!
Hold the door! Oh, no!
So that's your linguini. We've got some pock choy. This is just gonna go in. It's just a nice little addition. We're gonna get some sliced garlic.
Ah, fresh garlic, huh?
Fresh garlic for the boys, eh? That's all the linguini shit out of the way. So now we're gonna do a little tiny salsa, which is gonna be the dressing for the pasta. Cherry tomatoes, they're just absolute fucking legends, if you ask me. They're sweet, juicy, they're tangy. They got it all going on.
They are lovely.
Now we've got spring onion. Just the tip.
Never with me.
So we've got a couple of leaves of basil here. Just give them a good old fashioned, what you call this a meal? That's right, chiffonade.
Chiffonade?
Chiffonade.
What's chiffonade?
It's when you cut a herb like that, basically.
What is like that, along the grain, or what are you doing?
Grain? I don't see no grain on here. See no grains going on? Well, it just means
Along
like
the stem?
like that. That would be a chiffonade. That's just
Ah.
like a long bit of herb. And parsley, you can't chiffonade parsley because it's just fucking weird. Parsley. Couple of fresh capers. Then we're gonna hit this with some apple cider vinegar. Obviously, black pepper. Wee bit of salt. This is where it's at. Beautiful, lovely, juicy.
Sexy.
Last bit of prep is the fish. Now, this is probably why one of my most hated things in Korea is the fish, man. They just don't get it, Emil. They don't get it. They just leave bones on things, you know, cut stuff wrong, make me do extra work. Not about that life, man. So, after rectifying somebody's mistakes, here's what you do. A quick little trick for mackerel is all the bones are along here. So what you can do is just cut it like that. Down the middle. And that's it taken care of.
Boom.
And I actually went a little bit too deep, as I usually do. So I'm going to cut it like this. Here we are. So, beautiful bit of mackerel there. Lovely. Japanese, Spanish. I don't know how that's possible. It's just like this Japanese, Spanish mackerel.
Translation, I guess.
Pan on. Now, behind me, I've got a grill on there. So mackerel, I'm just pouring some salt on. And some fresh olive oil. Massage it.
You got any experience massaging fish?
Me? I'm a Tom masseuse, mate. Back when I lived in Sydney.
Your right hand in particular seems very good.
Skin side down. You can hit this with some olive oil. Then, these lovely sliced garlics that Emil likes so much. Fresh is best, eh, Emil?
Fresh is always best.
Dried chilies. Shrimps. In of your linguini.
Oh, so you're not actually using pasta?
No, this is the pasta. It's an alternative pasta.
It's not pasta flavored. I feel the need to inform you. That is actually pumpkin.
You don't even know what it is, do you? Pepper, salt, or choy. So it's been about 2.5–3 minutes on this mackerel. We're going to turn the grill off. And I'm going to flip it. Beautiful. And I'm just going to leave it there for about a minute and then pull it off. So you can see now the courgettes are cooked. And you still want a little bit of bite to them. And at this point, you turn the pan off, go in with your salsa, and very lightly mix it all around. Alright, mackerel. See, if you open it up a bit, it's blushing. You got that slight bit of rawness. That's what you want. It's going to be juicy and incredible. A nice bit of squeeze of lemon. Say, ooh baby, ooh baby. Courgettes. And a lovely piece of mackerel just coming over the top.
Am I eating this? I'm going for a bit of everything, huh?
A little bit of everything.
Oh my god. All complements each other very well.
This is ticking all the boxes, man.
That's a banger.
Super healthy, no carbs in there, fish, mackerel. I can eat this every day, bro.
Yeah.
So guys, if you like the look of this one, go out and try it. Leave a comment below.
That's a banger.
And keep it real.
Yeah. Fuck the police.